Hey everyone, building upon the Cleer Arc 2, the Cleer Arc 3 Gaming Edition offers a distinctive open-ear listening experience together with a low-latency USB-C dongle for enhanced gaming compatibility. The PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, MetaQuest VR headset, and even smartphones like the newest iPhones and Android versions can now use it thanks to this minor but important update. The Arc 3's design is identical to that of the original Arc earphones, with an open-ear design that prevents the ear canal from being sealed. The speakers are positioned somewhat above the ear canal once it hooks around the ear. While listening to music, podcasts, or gaming audio, users may remain conscious of their surroundings thanks to this design. Unfortunately, the earphones lack the up and down mobility that would have allowed for more accurate adjustment, but they do swivel left and right. Another noteworthy feature is the charging case. With an HD touchscreen display that gives access to many of the same features as the companion software, it is exactly like the casing for the Cleer Arc 3. Additionally, the case has UV sanitation that cleans the earbuds automatically when they are stored within, and it allows wireless charging. Although the idea of UV sanitization in earbuds is not new, it is a feature that is rarely found in open-ear devices, so it is a pleasant inclusion. Regarding technology, the Arc 3 Gaming has Bluetooth 5.4 and supports LDAC and Snapdragon sound for streaming high-definition audio. Its ability to concurrently maintain a Bluetooth connection and a USB-C dongle connection is among its most noteworthy characteristics. This enables users to take calls from a linked smartphone while playing games on a PC or console. Latency is drastically decreased by the dongle itself, reaching an amazing 30 milliseconds. Numerous customization options are available through the companion app, such as firmware updates, a multi-preset EQ, and Dolby Atmos capability with 2 separate modes, music and movie. Footsteps and other important in-game sounds are easier to hear in the movie mode. Another area in which the Arc 3 Gaming shines is battery life. Up to 10 hours of playback are possible with a single charge, and the case increases the overall usage time to about 50 hours. The Arc 3 Gaming has great call quality because of its integrated microphones, which reproduce voices clearly and naturally. The Arc 3 Gaming distinguishes itself from the majority of open-ear earbuds in terms of sound quality. Due to the absence of ear canal sealing, open-ear designs frequently fail to produce rich audio and deep bass, but Cleer has succeeded in pushing the low-end performance above average for this class. It provides enough impact to produce a pleasing listening experience, even though it lacks the bass response of conventional in-ear earphones. So the Cleer Arc 3 Gaming Edition offers a flexible and feature-rich experience that effectively crosses the divide between leisure listening and gaming. For gamers who prefer an open-ear design without compromising performance, the USB-C dongle's substantial latency improvement makes it a compelling choice. It is one of the greatest open-ear gaming earbuds available due to its wide range of features, long battery life, and surprisingly superb sound quality. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new earbuds? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.